Hi, I'm Wayne and this is Dado Woodworking. I bought a new Dado Stack, but the case is wrong. So as you can see, it appears that they shipped me the wrong case for my Dado Stack. The spots on the right-hand side of the stack don't fit the chippers that I have. So I reached out to the manufacturer to see if they can send me the right case or to do some kind of exchange for this, but I have not heard back yet, which is a little bit of an annoyance because this is a pretty expensive Dado Stack. So for the meantime, I'm going to build a better box for it. If it ends up that I never hear back from them again, there's nothing wrong with the Dado Stack, they just sent me the wrong box. So
I began by laying out the blades on a piece of plywood so that I could mark out basic dimensions and clearances. The case is going to be a very basic box with a hinged lid. I ripped some 3-inch strips on the table saw. These will form the sides of the box and provide plenty of clearance for the Dado Stack. I ripped the bottom to width and then cross-cut it to length using the radial arm saw. I will cut the lid later using the assembled box for reference. I cut a dado in 2 of the sides using my dedicated dado station. Assembly was incredibly simple, just some wood glue and plenty of pin nails.
the bottom half of the box is complete, so now I just need to put a couple of dowels in to hold the chippers and the outer blades. I don't have any 5/8" dowels, so I'm just going to use the handles off of these foam brushes. They're a little bit small, but they should be perfectly fine for what I'm using them for. So next I'm going to just cut these down and glue them in place.
First, I drilled shallow holes for the dowels and glued them in place. I then ripped the lid down to width and cross-cut it to length. I could then mount the lid to the box using some piano hinge. With the box and lid assembled, I could load the Dado Stack into the box. As you can see, I have installed 3 pegs in the box. One is for the outer blades, another for the chippers, and the third for the shim set. I also attached all of the included documentation to the lid of the box because otherwise I would lose it. I then measured roughly center on the lid of the box and attached a latch. I then quickly sanded it to 220 grit and applied a couple of coats of spray polyurethane.
For those wondering, this is an 8-inch 24-tooth Dado set made by Amana. It's their prestige line, and it's what they qualify as their super fine Dado set. So this is a really nice Dado set, and it's actually incredibly aggravating that they sent me the wrong case to go with it. It has a completely different shaped chipper. So hopefully this box is just a quick and easy temporary solution, just so that I can't risk the carbide and stuff like that clashing into each other in the wrong case. So I'm going to continue trying to reach out to Amana to get them to either send me the correct case or to reach out so I can do a swap of a whole set. But thank you for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to keep up to date with new projects as they are released. And until next time, thank you.